How to delete a second Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can delete a second Instagram account. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. The first thing that you will need to do is open up your Instagram. Locate your app and then tap on it. After you're on your Insta, head over to your profile on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, you will need to head over to your accounts center. And there you can see if you have multiple profiles or accounts, you can check that out by tapping on the profiles option. So there you can see, let it load. There you can see I have two Instagram accounts, and now if I want to delete one, I'll need to head back and scroll down a bit, and there you should see account settings. Tap on your personal details from here. Then head over to account ownership and control. The process is same. The process is same for deactivating and deleting the account. So select deactivation or deletion from here. After you do that, choose the second Instagram account that you want to delete. After you do that, select delete from these two. Deactivating is also an option, but let's go on with delete and then tap on continue. After you do that, select why you want to delete an account. So you can select whatever you want, then tap on continue. Then if you want to download anything before you delete an account, you can do that from here. But I will not be doing that, so tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, you'll be prompted to this section where you will need to type in the password. Since I don't have a password for this account, I will need to create one, but for you there will be a password section where you will need to type it in and then press on continue, and your account will be deleted. And that's how you delete an Instagram account. Thanks for watching guys. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.